Hello everybody and happy holidays, Merry Christmas. We're looking to decorate our nails for the holiday season. I know you are, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. Today I'm going to do a short video on a great way to decorate your nails for the holiday that's very simple, easy, with the idea that less is more. Most of the time I do my own nails and I can make my nails look nice, but when you're looking at some of the very complicated nail designs, I don't have the talent for it, and a lot of people don't, because you really have to have a steady hand, and oftentimes your result ends up looking gloppy. So then you need to go to the nail salon, and when you go to the nail salon, you have to pay for each nail that you have designed because there's artwork involved. So it can get expensive to do your nails that way. The way I'm going to show you how I do my nails today is truly a DIY nail project. You can do this yourself, or you could go to the nail salon and pick out your colors and have them do this for you. If you're a nail tech, this is a possible idea that you can use for your clients that have more conservative tastes. The design for these nails is rather simple. I have been doing this for the last 3 years. First, what I do is I paint my nails in my favorite red OPI color, the Thrills of Brazil. This color's been out for many years now. I believe I started using it in 2014. It is the color that I go back to every year for my Christmas nail holiday color. Basically, this color is a Christmas red. Then typically what I do is for the last 2 nails, I need to find a green nail color. And when I go to my nail salon, I just take a look around and I try to find a color, the darkest green I can find. And if it doesn't have shimmer, I tend to like to put a glitter nail polish over it. The only real thing that I need to go over when you're doing these nails is just to keep this one point in mind. Where you decide to put the 2 green nail colors. Sometimes people do, I've seen their index fingers and then their ring fingers. So either 2 ring fingers or 2 index fingers. I tend to do one of each, and I don't do my ring finger on my left hand. Basically because I will usually wear a ring. So when you're wearing a ring, it just, I think, looks nicer. However you decide to do this, just keep this in mind. If you have rings that you normally wear that are with red toned with red stones or pink stones, you'll want to make this nail color green. And vice versa, if you wear rings that have green tones like emeralds or malachite, you're going to want to make this nail red. And if you wear diamonds, it doesn't matter. Diamonds go with everything. Like I said, there are many ways that you can do this, and I put links in the description below. I picked 4 nail colors. I picked 1 set of red and green nail color, which I would call the premium collection, where they're more higher end colors. And then I have another 2 that are in the budget category. On my channel, I talk about nails. I review all sorts of different things. I am a hand model, and I grew up in the hair and nail industry. I represented many companies in promoting their products. My father was a barber who had a hair salon, and he had a few nail techs working, so I grew up around nail products. I've seen them all. So as a hand model, I've used many different nail lines. So if you want to know what I think are the best and what have worked for me, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope that your nails look fabulous this year.